Well, we have the new website. It's not quite finished yet, but we're on with it. Just a few pointers just to get you onto the website and the forum, guys. So you come onto the website, the menu is up here in the top right hand corner. You click that, it opens up various different pages. These will all get updated in time, but take you through to the forum. Just a few little things on the forum that a few of you won't know. Now, this is actually what they call a responsive website, so as you go smaller, things stack up on top of each other, so that it's readable, usable on a phone, a tablet and a desktop. So working on the desktop site, come up to the top, you've got your quick links. Up here you have various different categories. Everything that you should possibly want is in there. When you go onto a forum, a couple of the guys have asked for a top of the page button. So imagine you're on a page and you've read all the way down here, and then you want to go back up to the top to see something else. So if you come down here and jump to, you've all your different categories there that you can actually jump to. You can drag them up and down, all your different pages, different categories, it's all there. If you don't want any of those and you just want to go back up to the top of the page, if you come to the pointer at the bottom here of every post, it says top. If you click on that, it takes you straight back up to the top of the page. Now, as I was saying in responsive themes, as you make the pages smaller, you'll see now some of these icons have disappeared and you have 3 dots instead. Click on the dots and all of the images that were there before, the symbols to give you all of these different options, they're all within that sub-menu there. Again, if you scroll down to the bottom, a lot of the wording's disappeared, but you do have the 3 dots down here as well. And on there, you've got your active topics, which is what most of us use. Batterboard index. I'll open this page back up again. Drag it right through. And if at any time you want to go back to the website for whatever reason, the home button is the website. So burger menu at the top. Takes you back to the forum. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.